Hi there, there's a whole bunch of buttons in QuantumGIS, and in this series of videos I'm going to take you on a cook's tour of the interactive ones. And by interactive I mean things that you can do with your mouse. So how to start the day with your screen looking the same as it did at the end of the previous day. So you knock off on Friday night and you go away for the weekend and you come back on Monday morning and you think, my goodness, what was I doing on Friday? Well, you can open up this thing called a project and it will reset QuantumGIS to where you left off on the previous working day. And the same concept works in every other GIS. They all have different terms for it, workspaces and names like that, but that's the functionality. How to colour your map, how to shade it different shades, how to change it from pink to purple, how to make it transparent and things like that. How to zoom and how to pan around a map. This is standard sort of Google Maps functionality, but using different tool sets, and I think far superior tools than that style of web mapping tool set that we're so used to seeing. How to click on something and find out things about it. You know, who owns a particular land parcel, for example, that sort of thing. How to measure the area of something and find its distance from something else. So if you've got an oil spill, you'll be able to run your mouse around the edge of the oil spill and work out, how many hectares it is, and hopefully not how many square kilometres or hundreds of square kilometres it is. And if it's a marine oil spill, how far it is from the shore. How to find out things about your on-screen working environment, such as where your mouse is, what the scale of your display is, and what coordinate system you're working in. Now, this is all bread and butter stuff in your journey to understand QuantumGIS or any other geographical information system for that matter. So hang on and I shall see you inside. Bye.